Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is 6th question of its exercise 5.1. So the question says that if B is the midpoint of AC, A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. B If B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, whether A, B, C, D lie on a straight line, say why AB equal to CD. So in line segment AC, B is midpoint means AB equal to BC. तो हो जाएगा हमारे पास AB equal to BC because of B is midpoint of AC. समझ equation 1 and second में given है C is midpoint of BD, so BC equal to CD. BC equal to CD हो जाएगी हमारी इक्वेशन 2. रीजन हो जाएगा C is midpoint of BD. So by equation first and equation second क्या हो जाएगा AB equal to BC and BC equal to CD. So AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. So B and C midpoint से तो AB equal to CD है and CD equal to BC है. So AB equal to CD हो जाएगा हमारे पास. Thank you.